Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the emoji picker for your Windows 11. Now, if you know that your keyboard do not have any emoji icons, so if you are typing something on Windows, you definitely need it. Now, in order to do it, just simply press the Windows icon on your keyboard and press the full stop icon, or you can see the period icon or the dot icon on your keyboard, which is just on the right of the comma icon, and just simply press Windows and the period icon, and here you can see emoji picker has been opened for you, where you can pick up multiple emojis and even generate the GIFs as well if you want. Here you can see the GIF by tenor. Now I can even generate the GIFs as well. Now from here I can easily pick the emoji that I can use from my phones as well. Like if you are texting with someone and you need emojis, you can directly pick from here one. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.